In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen capture a Zoom meeting. If you need to save a quick visual from a meeting, like a presentation slide, a shared document, or an important moment on screen, this is a simple way to do it on a Windows computer. We'll use the built-in screen capture shortcut, which is fast and doesn't require any extra software. To begin, open Zoom and either join a meeting or start your own meeting. Once you're inside, navigate to the exact screen you want to capture. This part is important because your screenshot will only reflect what is visible at that moment. So if someone is sharing their screen, or if you want to capture a specific chat, participant view, or presentation slide, make sure it's clearly displayed before moving on. When you're ready, press Windows, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time. As soon as you do that, your screen will dim slightly and the snipping tool overlay will appear. This means Windows is ready for you to choose what part of the screen you want to capture. Now select the area of the Zoom meeting that you want to screenshot. You can click and drag to highlight the exact portion you need. This is especially useful if you only want to capture part of the Zoom window instead of the entire screen. Taking a more focused screenshot can make it easier to review or share later. Once you release your mouse, the screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard. That means it's already available to paste into another app if needed. You should also see a notification appear on your screen. Click that notification to open the screenshot in the snipping tool, where you can review it, make basic edits if necessary, and prepare it for saving. After that, click Save and choose where you want to store the image on your computer. It's a good idea to save it in a folder you'll remember, especially if you plan to use the screenshot later for notes, reports, or reference. There's also an alternative method if you prefer a more traditional shortcut. You can press the print screen key, sometimes labeled PRTSCN, to capture your screen, then open an image editor like Paint, paste the screenshot in, and save it from there. And that's all it takes to screen capture a Zoom meeting. Just make sure you're capturing only what you're allowed to save, especially in private or sensitive meetings.